you look at the box, it's all
where?
around here.
Oh, no, I see.
You can see it. And if you're looking up there, it's damp as well.
Oh, okay.
So we need to investigate the water leak.
Is that why this is all
Yes.
screens all soaked as well?
Yes.
I also think I've gone portrait to landscape portrait, whatever. Do you want the new one?
Thank you.
We'll switch the grey bit onto it.
One electrical connector. Slot. Flap back in. Now I need to be where you are just so I can see this slot. Ah, we'd missed. We'd missed. Right. Okay, right. Right guys, I should point it out. There is one awkward screw right there. You've got one just above where my nail is, then you've got the electrical connector there. That one is extremely awkward, but it is doable without removing most of the dash.
I can't reach! You turn it for me, because at the minute...
Does help if you've got the heater turned on.
Well,
Then I've got one piece of trim to put on as well.
that works. No, on the video, it's showing flashing lights on the orange then, but they're not.
It does, it's LED.
They're not flashing.
It's the frame rate on your phone.
Oh yeah, I've turned it down, haven't I? No, we're good. It's working a lot better actually. Put your hand on that. Okay, this one.
Oh yeah.
And then look, watch this. Put your hand back on it.
Have we officially got rid of Woody the woodpecker?
Yeah, but it's working a lot better as well.
Does that mean you'll actually have a heater as good as mine? For change?
I'm not sure. I don't know. It's better though. Better than it was before. It's blowing more air as well
And we can
through
pull
it.
this apart and see
That's stronger.
whether it's broken. Well, the flap's obviously been not in the right correct position with this motor.
Okay, let's put the last two screws in then, and it's all done. So here you go, we've opened it up, we've took that bit off.
And the gears are flat there.
Whoops. Do you want to point that again?
The gears are smooth there. Just where the screwdriver is there. It's missing about 3 teeth. Maybe 4.
That's no problem.